Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to log into customer home loan of HDFC Bank on your Windows PC or laptop. Make sure that you have created the account before logging it. Now, firstly, go to your preferred search engine of your device and in the search bar, type HDFC Finance Login and hit search. Then, you will see multiple sites. Look for the one that says HDFC Bank Home Loan Customer Login. This will lead you to the official page of Customer Home Loan of HDFC Bank. Once the page loads, you will need to accept all the cookies. Next, you will see the login option on the top of the page and click on it. Then, you will get the two options, either to log in as a customer or log in as a depositor. Since we are doing it as a customer, press Customer Login and in the next page, enter your user ID. There is also an option of Forget Password, which helps user to reset their password. Then, enter your account password and once you entered your mail ID and your account password, press Login. And there it is. That's how you log into your customer home loan account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.